Hello friends and welcome back to our channel once again. This is Alice and today I'm back with yet another informative news video for you all. So हमने recently देखा है that a lot of colleges are tied up with the industry to introduce center of excellence at their centers and बहुत सारे colleges ने new courses introduce किए हैं in the fields of digital marketing, in the fields of data analytics because clearly अगर देखा जाए तो आज के time पे data is the new oil. So, a lot of colleges have tried to innovate their program structures at their institutes these times, and we've seen that from the exam perspective as well as from the program perspective, there have been a lot of changes that we've been encountering this year. So recently, अगर हम Amazon की बात करें, so Amazon has started a new program called the AFBP program for the Premier B School students who are taking up different courses right now. So for more details, let's quickly dive right into the video to check out what Amazon's AFBP program is all about and how is it going to benefit the students and the company at the same time. So if we take a quick overview, Amazon ने AFBP program launch किया है to prepare the MBA graduates for leadership roles at the company. So what the interested students can do is connect with the placement cell in their respective institutes, following which selected students will be invited to take an online assessment and video phone interview. And post completion of the course, these students will start with the AFBP incubator. So AFBP exactly है क्या? So AFBP stands for Amazon Future Builds Program. तो इस कोर्स के साथ what Amazon is trying to do is they have started their flagship leadership development program, which is the AFBP, for students enrolled in Premier B schools in India, including IIMs, ISP, and XLRI, to prepare them for leadership roles at their company. तो ये जो program है, this will allow the students to gain a breadth of experience across Amazon's business through a 2-month incubator period, followed by a 24 to 30 months period where they gain domain expertise in particular lines of business, Amazon said in a statement. So yeah, this if we look at is a very interesting thing. Keep 2 months they will be in the incubator period and followed by which it'll be a 24 to 30 months period where they'll get domain expertise, which is a great thing to do. The in-depth business experience will be augmented with learning, training, networking, and mentorship opportunities, it added. So recent times में what the different institutes are trying to do is apart from the theoretical knowledge which the students are gaining in their course, they want to include practical knowledge as well with the students. And what best when you have a program like this which will not just give you the theoretical knowledge but will also give you learning, training, networking, and mentorship opportunities side by side. The culmination of this experience will lead to students emerging as future leaders poised to occupy key leadership roles at Amazon, it said. So if you look at the process, AFBP will be offered at top business schools in India starting with the financial year 2021 final placement season. So what the interested students can do is have a word with their placement cells and then there'll be a process for the selected candidates where they'll be invited for an online assessment and then there'll be interviews, and after they complete their courses they will be selected to start with the AFBP incubator. So once they join AFBP, all the participants like who become an employee, they will be a part of 2-month incubator where they learn about the various Amazon businesses including AWS, consumer, devices, finance, operations, and Prime Video. Post the incubator, the candidate joins the line of business they were selected for and gains domain expertise for a period of 24 to 30 months. So it's like you get a 2-month crash course where you learn about the different businesses, you get a insight on what there are, be it AWS, be it consumer, devices, finance, operations, and uske baad the particular course that really interests you or the particular domain that you want to make your career in, you get in-depth knowledge in that for around 24 months to 30 months, and this definitely is a very nice learning period for all the students. AFBP has been introduced to provide students with crucible experiences to build their future careers at Amazon. It provides role clarity within our day one builder mindset to roles, provides opportunities to hone highly specialized and general management talent who can take on leadership roles in the future, the statement said. Some of the key AFBP job functions include business development manager, category manager, financial analyst, marketing manager, operations manager, product manager, and other across Amazon's various businesses in India. So, this I believe is definitely a very good learning experience and a very good opportunity for all those who want to make their career in an e commerce giant like Amazon, because along with your course, you get complete insights into a company, and this will definitely help you go up the ladder in Amazon because you get to understand their business in depth. So, please let us know how did you like this video in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share our video, and also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon so that whenever we create such interesting content, you don't miss out on any of those. So till we are back with our next video, I hope you take care of yourself, you keep well, and all the best.